Narottam Das Thakur, he took Diksha Mantra from
Samananda Prabhu
Lokanath.
Hridaya Chaitanya से उन्होंने दीक्षा मंत्र लिए और
And
श्रीनिवास आचार्य
Srinivas
उन्होंने
Acharya,
गोपाल
Gopal
भट्ट
Bhatt
गोस्वामी से
Goswami, from
दीक्षा
Gopal Bhatt
मंत्र
Goswami, he took
तो
Diksha Mantra.
नरोत्तम समानंद
Narottam
श्रीनिवास
Srinivas,
ये तीनों जो है
they three are,
अपने गुरुदेव के आदेश से श्रीजी
as per
गोस्वामी
their
की चरण
Gurudev
में
instruction,
उन्होंने अपने को
they took,
समर्पित किया
they were surrendered onto the
अर्थात
lotus
जीव
feet of
गोस्वामी पाद से
Jiva
उन्होंने
Goswami.
सारी विद्या आदि
They took
अध्ययन
the
किया
teachings from Jiva Goswami Pad.
और जीव गोस्वामी पाद की शिक्षा गुरु के रूप में वर्ण किया
They accepted Jiva Goswami as their
अनंत
Shiksha
समस्त
Guru,
शिक्षा आदि प्राप्त करके
and after getting all the
और
teachings,
ये
knowledge,
लोग प्रचार कार्य में
they start doing
आए
preaching,
क्योंकि गुरु के आदेश उसी प्रकार था
because
विद्या
the
आदि शिक्षा
instruction
करके
from
क्या करो
Gurudev was
सर्वत्र
that you have to learn from
प्रचार
your
करो
Gurudev and then preach all around the
इसलिए
world.
नरोत्तम
So
समानंद श्रीनिवास
Narottam
ये
Srinivas,
तीनों जब चलने लगे
when they start going
एकत्रित होकर के और रास्ते में आते आते
on their way,
वीर हमवीर
Veer Hambir,
उनके जो है ग्रंथ के जो है चोरी कर लिए
he stole their scriptures.
किंतु उसमें ग्रंथ के ऊपर जो है लिखा हुआ था
But on
कि
the
सबसे जो है मूल्यवान
scriptures, it was
रत्न
mentioned
इसमें है
the jewels,
मूल्यवान रत्न क्या है
most precious
भगवत
jewels.
कथा
So the most precious jewels is Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavad Prem.
किंतु वीर हमवीर सोचने लगे
But Virambar start
इसमें
thinking,
कोई
he thought
धन
that
संपत्ति
there
हो
is so much wealth
है
inside
इसके वो लोग
it.
चोरी कर
So that's why he stole
और
it.
जब ऐसे
And
जगह
when,
तब इतने लोग मिला ही नहीं क्या
so they start
तो
searching, but they were not able to
अनंत
find it.
नरोत्तम दास
So
ठाकुर
in the end, Narottam Das
उन्होंने
Thakur,
मणिपुर की तरफ गए
he went to Manipur.
और
Narottam Das
श्रीनिवास
Thakur,
आचार्य जो है वह पर रहे
Srinivas Thakur,
और
he
वह
stayed there.
सामान्य
And
प्रभु जो है
Shamanand Prabhu,
ये उड़ीसा की तरफ
he came towards Odisha.
समझ में
Understand?
आए। और इसी प्रकार जो है
So in this way,
फिर वहीं पर श्रीनिवास आचार्य जो रहे
Srinivas Acharya was staying there.
तो उन्होंने सुंदर जो है भागवत की कथा गोपी गीत आदि कथा जब कीर्तन किया
He started doing Kirtan of
तो उसी
Bhagavatam
सभा में
Gopi
जो है
Geet, and in that
वो
same
वीर
assembly,
हमवीर आकर
Veerambir,
बैठे
he
अर्थात
came
इसमें
and he started listening
बोले इसमें
Harikatha.
तो कोई धन संपत्ति तो नहीं है केवल
Then he said that there
ग्रंथ
is
है,
no
जो
jewels
ग्रंथ उन्होंने
inside,
पढ़ा
there is
और
only
श्यामानंद प्रभु
scriptures. So he returned back
इस
all the
स्थल पर
scriptures.
आकर के उन्होंने बहुत
So
प्रचार
Shamanand
प्रसार
Prabhu, he
किया
came at this place
यहाँ
and
हम
he
लोग अभी
preached.
जो आए हैं ये
Where we have
श्यामानंद प्रभु की स्थान
came,
कहा
this is
जाता है
place of Shamanand Prabhu.
और लोक कथा के
As
अनुसार
per the material story,
यहाँ पर जो है मुगल सम्राट
Mughal Samrat
औरंगजेब ना
Aurangzeb,
हाँ?
Jahangir,
हाँ
as per the
जहांगीर
history,
उन्होंने
Jahangir,
ये जगन्नाथपुरी के जो है उन्होंने आक्रमण किया
he attacked on
तो उस
Jagannath
समय
Puri, and at that
पुजारी जो है
time
ठाकुर जी के
Pujari,
लेकर के
he took the Thakurji
यहाँ पर
and
उस
he
समय के लिए
came here
छुपे
for,
थे
he was
जहाँ
hiding
जहाँ पर आए
hiding
हैं
himself with the Thakurji.
इस
Where we
स्थान
have
में
came, this is the place.
हाँ यहाँ पर है
So the
ऐसे
Pujari
लोग
was hiding the
बहुत साल
Pujari
तक
was hiding the Thakurji at this place.
कथा है
So
इसलिए
this
उस
is
समय
a
के लिए
story people
जगन्नाथ
know.
बलदेव सुभद्रा जी
So Jagannath Baldev
यहाँ पर
Subhadra
भी
ji, they were
विराजमान
staying here.
है और इसके आगे की कथा क्या बताए
Afterwards, what was the story?
हाँ और क्या कथा है जो बताए
What is more story about this place?
हाँ रसिकानंद प्रभु जी
Rasikanand Prabhu.
हैं? उनके भी सुंदर भी कथा है
There is also
उन्हें ऐसे
a story about him.
ये देखो यहाँ पर ये जंगल में हाथी है ना
In this places, in this jungle, in this forest are elephants.
उनके देखो उस हाथी के कानों में जो है उस मंत्र दे दी
Rasikanand Prabhu gave mantra in the ears of elephant, and then in this way
दीक्षा देकर के शुरू
he gave Diksha mantra to elephant, and then
ये समझते जो बहुत दिव्य अलौकिक स्थान है हम लोग जहाँ पर आए
this is very beautiful place. This is divine place. We will tell more. We will explain the story more in the temple, because if I will tell you the story, then it will take 1 hour, and then 3 hours it will take us to Puri. So tomorrow I have to go. There is a flight. So I'm going to finish now, and especially the village people, they are making the temple, they are constructing the temple very nicely. Maharaj ji is preaching here. 7 days Bhagavad Katha happened here. On the day of Sankranti, Katha will be there. You all are invited. You can book your ticket. You understand? So beautiful divine place is this. One side is Radha Kund, and right side is Shamakund. Who wants to take darshan? They can go on mountain, they can climb the mountain, and you can stay at this place night time. Tomorrow you can come back. You can come back at Mangal Aarti. So beautiful this divine place. You should touch the dust of this place, because Mahaprabhu, wherever he is going, that place is not ordinary place. You should touch the dust of that place, then bhakti will manifest in your heart. In Chaitanya Charitamrita it is mentioned, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when his Gurudev Ishwar Puripad, when he went to Ishwar Puripad village, and he just touched the dust of that place, and he started crying, and all the devotees, they saw the mood of Mahaprabhu. They also touched the dust of dust, and in that way that there was a pond. So when you are going to the Mahapurush place, saintly person place, then you have to touch the dust, then prema bhakti will manifest in your heart.
वंशा कल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्यो च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। यहाँ पे